Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to edit your store header in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, then click on Login to log in to your Shopify account. Now, under Sales Channels, click on Online Store and select Themes. And now you will see the name of your current theme. Now to start editing your store header, just click on this customize block button. For this online store, this is my store header. As you can see, I have an announcement bar. Now to edit this announcement bar content, for example, just click on it first. As you can see here on the left side bar, I can see that it automatically jumps to the correct section. Now let's click on it again. As you can see from here, I can update my text. For example, my new announcement bar. And here I can also link to a collection on my store, to a product, page, blog, even blog posts or policies. You can even paste a link, for example, google.com, select it, and now return to the home page. And as you can see, for this specifically for this theme, I have two announcements that I can edit. This is the first one, and if I give it a little bit of time, it will jump to the next one, which is this one. It uses a different text, and also I can edit its link. Now to edit this the first section behind the announcement bar, just instead of selecting it like that, select it from the side, and you can see I can enable or disable auto rotate announcements. I can edit also how much time it takes to change. Let's give it a single or 1 second, as now it started switching quickly. Let's make it 1 second. I think the minimum is 3 seconds. As you can see, now it switches quickly. Let's keep it 5 seconds. Here I can also select a color scheme. Let's go with this white background or this green background color. And between this first section and the second section, I can use I can add a line from here, separator line. Let's uncheck it. And under utilities, I can show or hide social media icons, country selector, even the language. But this is only for large screens. This means as you can see, now these social icons started showing up. Same thing for the country, also the language selector. And to edit your social links, just click on theme settings, and here you can fill in your Facebook page link, Instagram link, YouTube, and so on. And to remove this section, just select it like that and hit this remove section button. Just like that, no more announcement bar section. To undo an action, simply click on this undo icon, and my announcement bar started returning. You can also another shortcut on keyboard, just click on Command Z or Control Z on PC on Windows. Now let's move to the header section. As you can see, I can start editing my logo position from the top left to the center like that, the middle center like that. I think this is nice. And for mobile logo position, I can select between center or left. To see this editing for mobile editing, click on this mobile icon, and now you will start seeing your modifications dedicated for mobile. Now my logo is on the left, and just like that I can place it on the center. Let's return to the desktop, and for the menu you can remove it like that, and or you can edit it. Now I can reorder my, let's start with the contact item first, hit save. Now the menu is updated, and now I think I need to hit this save to save these changes. And now let's give my website a visit. And now my menu starts with contact. After updating it, the social media logos or icons, the announcement bar. Now let's continue editing our store header. For the menu type, you can edit it from this mega menu to a drawer menu like this one, or it is called a hamburger menu. Let's see the drop down. I think I don't have menu items under other parent ones, so I don't think I can see a drop down. Let's keep it mega menu. And for the sticky header, mine is on always and also reduce logo size. This means my header will be sticky, always sticky, and the logo will be reduced on scrolling. If I select on scroll up, this means that my header will be sticky when I scroll down up like that. As you can see, now it is sticky. If I scroll down, it hides or and starts showing, or it starts being sticky going up. Where is the header? And if I go with always, it will be sticky always, just like that, going up or down. You can use a separator line for the header. I'm not able to locate this separator line. Now let's jump to the color. You can select a color scheme. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now let's jump to the color. You can select a color scheme from this list. Let's select this white one. This is good. Let's go with this gray color scheme. This is another color scheme. You can select them from here. And to edit your theme colors, just click on theme settings from here, or click on edit below each color scheme. Let's keep it black. You can also edit the menu color scheme. For example, let's select this white. This is gray color menu color scheme. Let's go with a black, with this black one. This I think this menu color scheme does not show up easily for this theme. Same thing here, you can enable, or you can, yes, you can enable utilities like country selector, the language selector, and the customer account avatar. I think this is it. And for spacing, I can edit the bottom margin like that. I think it is better to go with 0 pixel. For same thing for the padding, I can add a padding on top. And let's return to the original. And under theme settings, you always have access to your social media links. If you want to add a new social media, just upload the social media icon from here, and you can give it a name and a link. And this is how to edit your store header in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.